Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is currently January 31st. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching my videos. And it's the end of the month, so I wanted to share with you guys like some favorite items of mine that I used all month long. So yeah, a lot of people were joking and saying how this month felt like so long, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a long month. It seems like New Year's was years ago. But I'm not complaining because I don't really like when days and years go by fast, so I enjoyed this long month. But yeah, so I used quite a bit of items a lot, and I wanted to share with you guys, so let's go. First, we're gonna go into some random items. I'm gonna go into like food, my favorite like snacks and things for the month of January. You guys might not know, but I'm pescatarian, so I only eat seafood. But I like to snack in between the day, and I picked up this Pomegranate Chia mix. It's granola clusters, and that is what it looks like. So it has whole grain oats, Rice Crisp, dried cranberries, blueberries, and chia seeds. So it's really good. Sometimes for breakfast I'll have this in a bowl with almond milk and then slice like some bananas, and it's like a really good breakfast, kind of like a cereal craving. Or I'll just like eat it as a snack. Yeah, really good. Orange pie. My niece. Okay.
She's healthy.
She said it tastes healthy. It is. But and then I like to start my day with tea to get my metabolism going. And then this tea also like cleans me out when I'm like been eating like junk over the weekend. It's the Yogi Detox Tea. I live by this tea. It's really good for you. Whenever my throat is feeling like I'm getting sick, I just drink some of this and I feel much better. So yeah, that's been my favorite. Next, we're going to get into makeup items that have been my favorite. Okay, so first we're going to talk about some finishing spray. I used to use MAC Fix Plus spray, and my line sister recently got it for me again for Christmas because I was out. And the first time I used it, I was breaking out, and I was like, maybe it was something else. And then I used it again, and I broke out again. Like, I'm talking like my neck was broken out, face like had bumps all over it. Like, it was like a situation. So I was like, yeah, I can't use MAC Fix Plus anymore. So I picked up Makeup Forever Mist and Fix setting spray. And yeah, I got the small version just to see if I would like it or not. And I actually liked it. So yeah. That's the box. This is the bottle. That's what it looks like. But yeah, so it's really good. And yeah, so it's been my favorite. Another makeup favorite has been my Old Faithful MAC Stone lipstick. That's what I have on right now. And it's just like a nice mauvey gray color. I sometimes put like a nude lip gloss like in the middle or something to like make it, you know, look different. But I get a lot of compliments on this, and yeah, I've had it for a while, but I've recently just been wearing the heck out of it. And that is what the color looks like. It's like a grayish brown. And yeah. Alright, so we're done with makeup. Now we're going to go into some random items. First up is a fragrance that I've been loving. For Christmas, I got Gucci Bloom and Gucci Guilty fragrance. So Gucci Bloom, I usually like wear it kind of like in the day, and then for my night fragrance, like when I'm going out or going on a date or something, I am taking Gucci Guilty. I have the roll-on in the spray. This is my go-to scent. It smells so good. It's like, oh my gosh, I don't know, I love it. It's like musky but like sexy. I love this scent. So yeah, I've been wearing it so much lately. Yeah, so that is my favorite fragrance for January. So another random item that I loved for this month was a book called Don't Sweat the Small Stuff by Richard Carlson. Don't Sweat the Small Stuff by Richard Carlson. So yeah, this book was my favorite for January. I started reading it after Christmas, and it's just about, you know, it says simple ways to keep the little things from taking over your life, such as like stress or anxiety. It was written by a psychologist, I believe. Yeah, so it's like positive psychology, how to just, you know, sometimes we overreact, and how to analyze situations without overanalyzing them. And yeah, it's really good. I've been flying a lot recently, so this is like a really good plane book, especially if you don't like flying or something. I like flying, but if you get like jitters from flying and you need a good book to calm you down, this is definitely one to get. So I highly recommend it. I'm definitely going to finish it in February, so yeah. Alright, so now we're going to get into favorite clothing items. So if you know me, well, even people that know me probably don't know this, but I don't like wearing jeans. Like, if you catch me, I'm in leggings or like sweatpants. But when I do wear jeans, these have been my go-to. The Topshop Joni jeans. Both knees. Skinny. They fit me perfectly. And they go with anything. So whenever I want to wear jeans, I've been picking up these all month long. So yeah, definitely a favorite clothing item of mine lately. Okay, so I have a favorite accessory for January as well, and this is the box. If you guys recognize from my other videos, SPG BK Spring Break. So you guys know this watch that you guys ask about in every video is a spring break watch. Wear it every day, but I got a new favorite that I've been rocking. Wait till you guys see this. And yeah, so it is black and gold. Let me get close so you guys can see. And yeah, it is totally cute. So now I have two options for my favorite watch. And yeah, so look at that. It just adds like a different look. And you guys know I only wear gold accessories, so this black and gold is perfect. So yeah, this has definitely been a favorite of mine, a favorite accessory, shall I say. Check out their watches, y'all. You can get, I believe it's 10% or 15%. I'll check. I'll put it down in the description box below if you put in Tosh J Mac, I believe, and get you one. Tell them I sent you. So for the last item is a clothing item. It's actually my favorite shoe for the month of January, and it is my clear heel. And like when I tell you, these match any and everything. Casual, dressy, like it's the perfect shoe. So I've been wearing this like non-stop. I need to relax a little. But yeah, it's definitely my favorite shoe for this month. Alright guys, well that wraps up my favorites for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment below just anything, your favorite item, any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because I have so many things coming up. And let me know what you guys want to see, if you have any suggestions. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you as always.
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm.